Hi, how are you everyone? Welcome back to my lovely channel. For your information, this video was created on 29 May 2018, 08 of hour, 23 of minute and 13 of second. In this lovely day, we are going to explain something. The thing is, why is a hardwired smoke detector beeping? In the next few seconds you will get a short information about why is a hardwired smoke detector beeping. Hopefully it will help you. Enjoy the video. Here is the explanation about why is a hardwired smoke detector beeping. A hardwired smoke detector is one that is connected to the home's main electrical system. Over time, the detector can gather dust, have a power surge or simply malfunction, resulting in false alarms or a steady chirping noise. Hardwired detectors also contain a backup battery which, over time, can die. Last update April 26, 2010. Now, we will give you 20 seconds to read again the explanation by yourself so you can absorb this information. Please take your time. Hi, that's all of the explanation. If you find this video helpful, please like and comment on this video and subscribe this channel. Thank you, and see you again in another video. Goodbye.